Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to copy a link from an Instagram comment. So for this, open your Instagram app. Now simply go to that post on which you want to copy the link. But for me, one of my friends comment a link on my own post, so I will show you how can you copy that link in the comment section. So I'm going to my own profile by tapping on profile icon. So here is my post. So when I will tap on the comment section, as you see, here is the link. So now, how can you copy this one? Simply take a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, close the Instagram and open your mobile phone gallery. So here is that screenshot. Now what you can do from here, simply tap on these three dots, which are on the right bottom, and use this feature Google Lens. If this feature is not available in your mobile phone, then you can simply download this from the Google Play Store. I can also copy the link by using this recognized text, but maybe this will not be available in your Android device. But the Google Lens is available in Google Play Store, so you can download this from Google Play Store and simply use this like I am using for copying this text. So tap on Google Lens and select this text. So what you have to do now, simply tap on this option website. You can also copy this link, but I will directly go to that website. So as you see, when I tap on that website, the video is start playing. So by this way you can copy link from an Instagram post. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.